Did you know that the same juicy, sweet mangoes you enjoy every summer might be silently harming your health? Yes, the beloved king of fruits, cherished across the world, might not be as innocent as it looks. In fact, mangoes when consumed the wrong way or an excess can contribute to life-threatening conditions like cancer, diabetes, and high blood pressure. It's shocking, but true. And most people have absolutely no idea that their innocent mango cravings might be pushing them toward chronic illness. Let's start with the bitter truth. Mangoes are loaded with natural sugar. Mango allergies? Yes, it's more common than you think. Eating them frequently without moderation can derail your weight loss goals. A medium-sized mango packs about 150 calories, and people often eat more than one at a time. That, along with mango smoothies, shakes, or desserts, can easily push your daily intake into a calorie surplus, leading to stubborn fat around the belly, hips, and thighs. The skin of mangoes contains urushiol, the same chemical found in poison ivy, which can cause severe skin rashes, inflammation around the lips. Treat mangoes like a dessert, not a main meal or daily habit. One small mango, a few times a week, is more than enough, especially if you're watching your sugar or blood pressure, or even breathing issues in sensitive individuals. Avoid fruits that appear unnaturally bright or soft. These are often ripened using harmful chemicals. Your health is worth the extra effort or cost. Many commercial mango farms use pesticides and fertilizers that linger in the fruit, skin, and even seep into the flesh. They do have benefits when eaten right, but excess, ignorance, and poor quality control can turn this summer delight into a ticking time bomb. If you or someone you love eats mangoes regularly, share this video, because health isn't just about what you eat. Also about what you understand about what you eat. Even if you're not eating the peel, handling it, and then touching your mouth or face can trigger allergic reactions. Stay safe, and don't let a fruit fool you. Consult a health expert before making mangoes a part of your routine. Monitoring your blood sugar after eating mangoes can reveal a lot about how your body is reacting. These chemicals accumulate in your body over time, potentially harming your liver, kidneys, and nervous system. Washing the fruit doesn't always solve the problem. Eating them alone as a snack during midday is a better option than after dinner or mixed with sugary desserts, especially if the chemicals are systemic. The idea of mangoes being a pure, natural gift from nature is behind that delicious flavor could lie a trail of hidden risks. From sugar overload to cancer-causing chemicals, mangoes might be secretly working against your health, especially if you're unaware of the danger signs. Sadly, not always true in today's commercial farming world. Many people misdiagnose these reactions as food poisoning or heat rashes without realizing mangoes are the true culprit. A single ripe mango can contain up to 45 grams of sugar, more than a can of soda. The high sugar content in mangoes creates an acidic environment in your mouth, feeding bacteria that destroy your enamel. If you're eating mangoes often and not brushing immediately afterward, your teeth might start to decay. If you never touch candy or soda, mangoes, especially artificially ripened, ones that flood the market during peak season, are often contaminated with calcium carbide, toxic chemical used to make them ripen faster. Eating mangoes late at night or after heavy meals can mess with your digestion, leading to bloating, gas, and even acid reflux. Your body finds it harder to process sugar and fiber when it's winding down for rest. That seemingly healthy bowl of sliced mango after dinner, it could be the reason you're tossing and turning at night or waking up tired and bloated. This chemical has been linked with carcinogenic effects in the body. Imagine enjoying a fruit you thought was natural and fresh, while it's quietly introducing harmful toxins that increase your cancer risk over time. It's not just a matter of where you buy your mangoes, it's about how they reprocessed, stored, and consumed. If you think that natural sugars are always safe, think again. Constant spikes in blood sugar levels, even from fruit scan, pave the path toward insulin resistance and type 2 diabetes. That's not a guess. A reality faced by thousands who assume fruits are always healthy, no matter how much they eat. If you're already pre-diabetic or have a family history of diabetes, mangoes might not be your best friend after all. And here's where it gets darker: cancer risks. But that's not all. Mangoes also have the potential to spike your blood pressure. This is particularly true when they are eaten in large amounts or combined with other high sodium or sugary foods. Mangoes contain certain compounds that, although harmless in small quantities, can stimulate the body to retain more water and sodium. This process may trigger a shoot in blood pressure, especially in people who are already hypertensive or on the borderline. High blood pressure is often called the silent killer because it usually shows no symptoms until it causes heart attacks, strokes, or kidney failure. Another surprising downside: even your dental health can be at risk. And let's talk about weight gain, a concern millions struggle with. While mangoes are a rich source of calories, here's a wake-up call for those who believe mangoes are perfect for all-day snacking. Timing matters. We also can't ignore the effects of chemical contamination. So, what can you do to protect yourself without completely cutting mangoes from your life? First, Moderation is key. Second, always buy organic or naturally ripened mangoes whenever possible. Third, peel the skin completely and wash the fruit thoroughly before eating. Fourth, avoid pairing mangoes with heavy meals or heat-carb dishes. Fifth, for those struggling with diabetes or high blood pressure, remember, just because something is natural doesn't mean it's always harmless. The sweet taste of mangoes can be deceiving. In conclusion, mangoes aren't evil. Stay aware.